Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the ticket ID and booking reference so you can find the reservation fast. Log into the Transit app or website using the same account and password you used for purchase. Once logged in, open your Bookings or Purchases tab and locate the Metro ticket. Make sure to verify the cancellation window and any refund policy shown on that ticket page. Doing this now prevents surprises when you request cancellation. Next, open the ticket details and tap Cancel or Request Refund to start the process. Follow prompts to select a cancellation reason and choose the refund method, card, wallet, or voucher, and note any fees that appear. These reduce your refunded amount. Confirm the action when the app shows the summary. Once done, save or screenshot the cancellation confirmation and reference number. That proof speeds any future disputes. Make sure to check the estimated refund timeline shown on the confirmation screen. Finally, monitor your email and the app for a refund status update and allow the stated processing time to pass. Timing varies by payment method. If the refund doesn't arrive, contact customer support and provide your booking ID, cancellation reference, and the screenshots you saved. If support stalls, request escalation or open a dispute with your bank or card provider using the same documentation. One troubleshooting tip: clear app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.